All right, here we go. And we got 2 bike mirrors. Show you these. These are bicycle hose reflectors. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on this side here because we are in United States of America, and we're going to be looking to our left side back because we go on the right side of the road. So let's do that now. Okay, so anyway, here's our reflector. It comes with this thing that you hook around your, your thing, your bar, your front bar, and it also comes with an Allen wrench and a couple extra of these little screws, which is a handy little thing. So we're going to go ahead and get our Allen wrench out. And we're going to keep those screws. We're going to set them right there. And then we're going to go in here and we're going to loosen this. All we got to do is loosen one side, really. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going right in here and I'm just loosening it. See? I'm going to put this side in here like that. Now I can just go like that really easy. So this one I got to pull all the way out, which is a pain in the butt. That's not a good design, but so I'm not going to bore you guys with me unscrewing this. I'm just going to do it and then show you how we do it on the car. I mean on the bike. Maybe I'll just fast motion. And I guess that's why they give you the two extra screws, because you're going to probably lose one. I think I got it. Nope, not yet. Almost. So close. I'm thinking I might have to loosen up the other one too, because otherwise it's a real pain in the butt. Because these are on, there we go, look. Oh, there we go, figures. So this is going to be tough. So I'm going to have to use 2 hands to do this. So this is the tricky part. Got to get it on here, and then push her down. Now I've got to get this one in there. And there we go. Now we got to do righty-tighty. Once I get the one started, I should be good. Yep, that one started. Now let's get this one in there. There we go. It ain't easy, is it? Never gonna be easy. And I might pull this up here, like that. It's getting in there. Let's get the other side. Not the most optimal tool, but gotta work with what you got, I guess. Let's get this one tighter. And I'm hoping that this works and I can see behind me, because I hate turning my head on the bike. Just dangerous. Getting on there. This does not want to do what I want it to do. Okay, then I'm just gonna do it like this. Smush it that way. Yeah, done. So you can see what it is. These are the little Allen nuts. And you got to get it tight around there, and I bent it to the side. Then there's this thing. I guess I just pull this off of there, and that makes it so that we can see. when we're riding our bike. We got our flashlight, we got our bike thing, we got our bell, we got our wheel lights, we got a lock. We're set. Now I just got to put that one on that one. All right. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video about doing stuff on bikes, putting on lights, putting on mirrors, putting on flashlights and bells and wheel lights and other stuff, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.